Let me show y'all how my garden has progressed. Now, as you can see, these are my peas. I bought me a trellis so the peas can climb up. You see how they're latching on to the trellis? They're gonna climb up, you guys. This is cilantro that is regrowing. Remember I told you when I harvested the cilantro? This is the cilantro growing back. Over here, the cilantro is growing back. This is the basil, you guys. And there's some basil growing right here as well. These are my pepper plants. And this one is growing really big. I actually think these two are different from this one. But this one is growing really good and pretty. These are pepper plants. Now check out my cucumbers. This is how my cucumbers are growing. I think I put too many seeds in one pot, y'all. So what I did was I took some of the cucumber plants out and I planted them in here. And I planted cucumber seeds in here. And this is my other cucumber plant. Everything is green and growing. These are microgreens. Now, I don't know anything about microgreens, but this is how they're turning out. I'm gonna have to look it up to see when it needs to be harvested. But these are microgreens as well. I planted them all at the same time, but this one seems to be flourishing more than this one. Tomato plants. This is the strawberry patch, you guys. Remember I planted the strawberries? This is the strawberry patch. On yesterday, I planted some beans. I used this big old bucket right here and I planted some beans. And I put this right here so the beans could go up. And this came out of an old refrigerator. I also planted some beans in here, you guys. And here I planted some flowers. And right here I planted eggplant. Eggplants likes hot weather and they like sun. So I planted my eggplant seeds yesterday right here. So I just wanted you all to get a good look at my garden. I need to weed it. I will be doing that this weekend. It's been raining, so I need to do a whole lot of weeding. But yeah, the garden is flourishing. The grass need cutting. Have you started your garden yet? Put it in the comment box below and let me know. And I'll be back. Peace.